gonna tear this BMW I3 Batterypack apart because I need the modules to build 96 volts battery packs for my existing and upcoming project. So this is what I'm gonna do today. Here you have the 8 modules with 12 cells each, altogether 96 cells and 384 volts. There's also the main control unit for the BMS, and here you have some parts for the cooling system. Yes, here you can see the 12 cells. This is the, this is plus side, and here you have the serial connected, and it's 12 cells. And here you can see the wiring to the BMS system. Here you have one of the modules, and it's, as I said before, it's a 12S, and it's consisting of these Samsung battery cells, and this is Samsung SDI. I can only find this 94 amp hours cell, but these are 60 amp hours. So I think you can approximately get around 220 amps out of it, and if I put 2 in series and charge it for full, I will have about 20 to 25 kilowatt I can push into the motor. And as you can see here, you have the BMS wiring, and then you're just going to connect the universal BMS to these wires, and I see there's also thermistors here, so I can check the temperature on the cell. Check the voltage just for fun, and it is 46.5 volt. That's great. And each one is 3.87. Yeah, 87. 87, perfectly. Well, that was all for this episode. In next episode I will start rebuilding the electric controller, because I need that 48 volt battery pack made of 2 Tesla modules to my solar plant. So I will take that drive system apart, and I will fit one of my motor energy motors with a new controller, and I will build a battery pack of 2 of these BMW i3 modules, and hopefully that electric controller will be lighter and better performance. So I hope you enjoyed, and welcome back.